Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome back to SK Technologies. So, as we are continuing the build triggers in the Jenkins, so in this video, I will take one example like so and so date, so and so day, so and so time. I want to trigger the job. Then I will convert into the cran job syntax. Okay, cran job syntax. Then I will apply the build periodically, and we will validate. Okay, so if you remember the cran tab syntax, okay. So this is the cran tab syntax, guys. Minutes, hours, day of the month, and day of the week. So now let me take one scenario. I want to trigger a job at 11:30. Okay. So on 19th of the October. Okay. So 19th of the October, I want to trigger the job. That's it. This is my scenario. So if you carefully observe here, the first star. Okay, so first star means this one. The first star minutes. Okay, so if you observe carefully, 30th minutes they provided 30 minutes, right? Simply you can give 30. Then hours when they provided 11:30 p.m. Let me mention p.m. So it means 11 night 11 o'clock, which means 23. Okay, so 23. Then date day of the month, right? So date of the month or day of the month. So when you want to trigger the job, 19th. Okay, specify 19th here. Then month when the month any mentioned. So October month means October 1 is January, 2 February, likewise 10 is for October. Then there is no any special day, specific day. Okay, if there is no any value the respective star, then simply keep the star. That's it. That's it, guys. So this is the syntax for your requirement, above requirement. In the same way, let me take another example. Every 2 hours or every 5 hours, okay, I want to trigger the job. Okay, every 5 hours. So here see the scenario is they mention only the hours details. That is every 5 hours. So every 5 hours means see there is no minute, right? Then you can keep star. So hour every 5 hour, I will tell you the logic. Then day of the month, there is no any specific day of the month. So you just go with the star. In the same way, month and day also. So here every 5 hours means then you can keep like this star by 5. Okay. Or every 5 minutes means okay. Every 5 minutes. So the second another example is the same scenario. Okay, every 5 minutes. Okay, every 5 minutes means then here there is no hours details, right? So every 5 minutes means star by 5. First star by 5, then remaining all are star because there is no any value. There is no any specific value on this. That's why reason simply keep the star. In the same way, if you want to trigger the job every minute, every minute means star by 1, which means star only. Okay, so these all are star. Star by 1 means star only, right? So you can take this example and you can configure it and can validate. So let me do the same thing. So see, October 19th means I cannot validate it, right? I need to wait until October 19th comes, isn't it? Even every 5 hours also, it may take 5 hours time, right? I cannot wait it, right? The same way, every either you can go with the short one every 2 minutes or every 1 minute, and we will validate. Okay. So now go to your Jenkins dashboard. Okay, you can take any job, guys. So let me go to these folders. Okay, so let me go to the project 3, nothing here. So let me configure a job, create new item. So go with the freestyle only. Okay. So build trigger job one. So freestyle, select this, and you can just clone the source code. Okay. So just define one task only. So this one. Okay. Or if you want, you can build also. You can configure. Anyhow, build is there, right? So Maven build invoke. So here you can define Maven. You can give the clean install. Fine. Apply, save. Now don't click on the build now. If you click on the build now, again it will comes under the manual thing only. Okay, now I don't want to click on the build now, right? So with the help of the build periodically, I want to trigger my job. Okay, so click on configure. So carefully, if you observe the left side, so build triggers, simply click on here. So here you can select the option which is build periodically. If you observe other things also there, poll SCM, GitHub hook trigger. See, this we will discuss later. As of now, build periodically. See, scheduling. See, if you click on the question mark, see, the same syntax you have to mention minute, hour, day of the month, month, day of the week. That's it. The same syntax which we discussed. And the values also, if you observe the values, see here. Same scenario, guys. Okay. So this is the cron tab syntax. See, minutes, hours, day of the month, month, day of the week, and values also they provided. Okay. So go on schedule. So here I am for your convenient purpose. I am giving like this all stars, and make sure guys don't provide any extra space after the fifth star. That is the note. Okay. If you provide any space or anything, the functionality of the job won't work. Okay. Now see the warning also. Do you really mean every minute? This is not error. It's a warning only. So simply click on apply. Okay. Now observe guys. Okay. So we need to wait 1 minute. We will see. Okay. So as of now, no jobs, right? We will see. So this is the use of the build periodically, which means based on your schedule time, the job will be triggering. Fine. So let's wait. In the same way, other poll SCM and Git webhooks also, but there is a slight differences that we will see. Okay. So build periodically, poll SCM almost same, and poll SCM Git webhook also almost same. Okay. That I will tell you the differences also. Okay. So let's wait. Yes, see, job initiated. See, if you observe, I didn't click on this build now. So automatically job initiated. See, started by whom? Timer. Okay, so in the build periodically, okay, so in the build periodically started by timer. Okay, copy this. Started by timer. This is also one of the interview question. If the job is started by, if you schedule the build periodically, who will start the job? Okay, started by timer based on your schedule. Okay, so that's it. Even if you wait another 1 minute, it will trigger another job. Let's go back, let's observe. Okay, next minute, then again it will initiate another job. See, again it's initiated, again started by timer. See, job going on. Maven build is happening. Success. Okay, so that's it, guys. So this is the way we have to schedule the jobs. Okay, so that is a build periodically. If you leave as it is, okay, then keep on it will be triggering. Okay, let me stop the configuration. Go here, click on build triggers and deselect this. That's it. Apply. Now it won't work. Fine. That's it. So this is the build periodically. Thank you guys. So in the next video we will see Policium. Okay, thank you.